Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I went from these raggedy teeth to these pearly white teeth. And that is all thanks to Smile Brilliant. They are a vegan teeth whitening company. They contacted me to do a video for them and they sent me all of their products. So this is a sponsored video. This is the box that they sent me. Smile fearlessly. I was a little skeptical at first before agreeing to this video because I do have extremely sensitive teeth, but they did say that they would work with me throughout the entire process. This is what the box looks like. It comes with the instructions up top, as well as everything you need: the teeth whitening gel, the desensitizing gel, which definitely comes in handy, as well as this little guide on for you to send your trays then, because what you get to do is you get to make custom trays, which I think is pretty dope. This is the instruction pamphlet that it comes with for you to make your own custom trays. First, you're gonna have to brush your teeth because we gotta have clean teeth at all times, duh. As well as floss because you want to take out all those nasty things from your teeth. And then you're gonna grab both of your mixing putties, however you want to mention it. You're gonna grab 1 and 2. As you can see, I have a little trouble getting it out with my nails. I just scrape it on and they got underneath my nails. It was nasty. But you want to grab 1 and 2, or A and B, however it comes, and you want to mix it so that it can all become one color. Once you've mixed everything, what you're going to do is you're going to put it on one of the empty trays. You're going to push it into the little grooves, make sure it is nicely secure. You may want to mold it a little bit so that it can fit the tray a little bit better. And then all you're going to do is just going to put your teeth right up on it and press down hard for about 30 seconds or until you feel like the putty has hardened. And then you're going to gently remove it away from your teeth. Once you're done with your mold, you're going to put it into this blue bag, and you're going to put also the little card that it comes with. It comes with all your information. You have to write down everything, and then you're just going to ship it away with all the trays in there. After about a week or so, you should be getting your trays in the mail, and this is what they're going to look like. They're going to come in this white little packaging, and they're going to be ready for you to use. So these are the both whitening gel instructions and desensitizing gel instructions. You're going to first do the teeth whitening gel. You're going to take it out. It's going to be in a little syringe, and you're going to squirt some of the product into each little tooth crevices that you see on your teeth tray, and then you're going to place it firmly, sorry, I can't even talk, onto your teeth. Now, I only left it on for 45 minutes because I was a little frightened that it was going to sensitize my teeth a little bit too much, but you could leave it longer if you wish to, but that's as long as I left it on for. So after the 45 minutes, just go ahead and rinse your mouth with cool water and then brush your teeth like normal and check yourself out. It's looking pretty good. So next we're going to grab the desensitizing gel, which also comes in a syringe. You're going to apply onto the tray and leave it on for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. This is so that it can reduce sensitivity and also prevent future staining. This part is gross, so don't mind it too much attention, but I'm just taking out the trays that have the desensitizing gel, and then it says not to rinse it and just leave it be, but I couldn't bear the taste, so I definitely did rinse my teeth. I hope it didn't affect it at all. But yeah, I've tried other like teeth strips, and they've always made my teeth super sensitive, and this one did not, so I really do like it. It definitely made my teeth a lot whiter. I did do it about 3 to 4 times after this one time, and that's how I got it to my teeth being so white as you see in the picture. Also guys, with this video there is a giveaway. I will be giving away 1 teeth whitening kit. The contest will run for about 2 weeks from the moment that this video goes up. It is open to anybody in the United States, in the UK, in Canada, and Australia. So please check the description box for details on that contest, as well as for 2 coupon codes, one for $15 off of your trays and one for 5% off store-wide. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please leave a comment, leave a like, leave whatever you want, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Stay fabulous.